Hi, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Lemon, and in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you what the backlink checker feature on the free SEO tools by Ahrefs does and how it could help you check your competitors' backlinks. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is hop on to ahrefs.com /free SEO tool. I will link this link in the description below. Alright, once you've arrived to this page, which is awesome stuff, you'd want to navigate to keyword generator and click on it, and it will show a drop down, and on that drop down you want to go to the last visible link there, which is backlink checker, and we click on it. There won't be much change, I know, don't worry about it. So once we're here, we want to type in a website or URL. In this example, we'll be using Microsoft, so we'll just type in Microsoft here. Great stuff. And then we're going to click on start. Okay, so what you're seeing now is now gone to the backlink checker, and it's just going to give us a little bit more options. So like website authority checker, backlink checker. We'll cover all of that in the next tutorials. So we have the domain that we chose, and here something really important. It now says subdomains or exact URLs or path or domain. Like for example, we're gonna stick with subdomains, meaning that when it crawls, it's gonna include all the subdomains under Microsoft.com. For example, it's gonna crawl Microsoft blog, Microsoft /Surface Pro, and so on. Not just the exact URL, which would be Microsoft.com. Alright, so when we're ready, we click check backlinks, and then Ahrefs is going to do its magic, and it's going to show a pop-up of the result of the different backlinks that we have. Alright, so as you see here, this pop-up is just showing us a backlink profile of Microsoft.com. And what you see here is the domain rating. So this is how powerful the backlink profile is. In this sense, it's 96. No doubt it's a big company, so they have literally billions of backlinks. This big backlinks, and linking websites that are linking back to Microsoft.com. Right on your left here, you see something called DR. This is domain rating. So this is the domain rating for specific URLs or backlinks or linking websites that are linking to Microsoft.com. For example, this is Speed Test by Ookla, and this is their domain. Alright, and to the side here is anchor and target URL. So this will be the anchor text, and this should be the URL that you'd find that specific link. Alright, so that was just a quick demonstration on how you could use backlink profile or backlink checker from Ahrefs free SEO tools. For more information regarding SEO, feel free to reach out to us through our email or our website that I'll include in the description, which is pearllemon.com. Enjoy your day.